One other important role for us as a regulator in terms of encouraging innovation, particularly in the fintech world, has been the creation of standards. Why is this? So what we find is that we have a market ecosystem which has a lot of infrastructure. Let's say the stock exchanges, the depositories, the clearing corporations, the mutual fund registrar and transfer agents. These are all the infrastructure on which other people build their innovative solutions. Now, if each of these is different and there is no standardization in the way in which their data and their APIs work, then the cost of innovation and the cost of a new fintech to come into our market system and integrate with this entire market infrastructure is very significant. So what we have been working on is to standardize. So whether you are talking to NSE, BSE or MCX, it should be the same file format so that your cost of innovation comes down. Whether you're talking to CDSL or NSDL, it should be the same API structure so that your cost of innovation comes down. So we've been working very hard at making sure that standardization happens in our market ecosystem to encourage low-cost innovation in terms of fintech. What we have seen over the last few years is that this approach has really delivered fabulous results. So whether it is, the new regulation that we brought in terms of execution-only platforms for mutual funds or online platforms for bonds, or for instance, we've recently talked about, we had a consultation paper on performance validation agencies. We are now very soon going to be talking about some data benchmarking agencies. So we find that this entire ecosystem is growing from strength to strength. So what started as highly technology-oriented exchanges, clearing corporations, and depositories moved on to large fintechs in the broking space, now in terms of the mutual fund space, now in terms of the bond space, and further into the alternate asset classes. So this innovation is now moving at huge speed, and we are really, encouraged by the speed of uptake of the consumers in doing this.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.